In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use hydraulic crimper to lug cable. So this is my cable lug. So I'm using 25 cable lug. So we have different sizes here. You just have to look for 25 crimp. So this is it, and you are going to insert it here like this. So can you see? So you peel your wire and put it there. Once you insert your wire like this, you put it inside the hydraulic crimper like this. So can you see? You put it there like this. So and you put it down. So you have to lock this place. You lock it. So you now be put it this way. So once you complete finish and you release this one, so you can see we have a perfect crimp. So and you have to tape it like this. You tape it. So that's it. If you also want to crimp wire with cable lug, so you're gonna find hydraulic cable lug. You don't have to use hammer and nail. Thank you.